Hello kids, welcome back to study. I hope you all are written paper good. I hope आप सभी लोग पेपर्स अच्छे लिखे होंगे because you all are brilliant student. Yes or no? Yes. So, welcome back to study now. Okay. Top chapter 5, Chotu's house. We studied this lesson, but again once time we are going to revise it. See in these all pictures. First watch it, see the whatever is there in this one picture. It's a road is there, vehicles are there, people are roaming here and there, and this one boy is there. This boy's name is Chotu. He was living in a small village. He came to Mumbai. It's a Mumbai to earn a monies. All are going to Mumbai to earn a monies. That time Chotu also went to Mumbai to earn a monies. But nobody was there in Mumbai, his relatives. He don't know any one person. He do not having a house. Someday he stay on road. He's suffering from he's has some problems. उसको थोड़े से तकलीफ होने लगा. जस्ट एक रेन, विंड, कोल्ड. जब घर नहीं तो आपको कैसा होता है? ठंडी लगती है. जब आप घर से बाहर आते हो तो आपको धूप लगता है, विंड लगती है, ठंडी लगती है. He facing some problems. So that he wanted a house. He wanted a house. उसको रहने के लिए घर चाहिए था. जब तक वो रोड के ऊपर रहता था तब उसको सोने के लिए जगह नहीं थी. ठंडी लगती थी, धूप लगता था, बारिश लगती थी. तो उसने सोचा मुझे भी एक घर चाहिए, तो मैं उस घर में सो सकता हूँ, बैठ सकता हूँ, खाना पका सकता हूँ, खा सकता हूँ. All the activities I will do in my house. Then he saw one big sewer pipe. He thought, why not? I will stay in that pipe. उसने सोचा क्यों नहीं मैं उस पाइप में रह सकता हूँ. So he cleaned that one pipe and he make a part in pipe and around the pipe. In pipe he make a bedroom or living room, and that beside the pipe he started to cooking. That is his kitchen. And there's at the other side he kept a one tank, water tank. There he taking a bath. That is a bathroom. And he tie one rope where he putting क्लोथ्स फॉर ड्राइंग. कपड़े सुखाने के लिए वहाँ पर उसने रोप डाला, वहाँ पर कपड़े सुखाने के लिए लगा. यहाँ पर बाथरूम का अरेंजमेंट किया. एंड वन साइड ही स्टार्टेड कुकिंग, मीन्स इट्स अ किचन. दिस टाइप छोटू मेक हिज हाउस. In the next picture, see here. One day he saw a new boy. His name is Monu. He also have problems. He don't know anyone. He had no any house to stay there. Then Chotu called to Monu. Okay. When Chotu saw a Monu, call him and asked, from where you are, why you came to this one Mumbai, and where will you stay. तेरा नाम क्या है, तू कहाँ से आया, कहाँ पर रहने वाला है. छोटू asked to Mono. Mono told, I am a new in this one city. Nobody are there mine. मेरे कोई नहीं है. So Chotu thought, I will share my house with Mono. That time they both are living in the this one saver pipe, and they make a shed under shed beside the saver pipe where they will sit, chat and drink a tea. Understood, no kids? This type you watch the all pictures, learn about it and answer the following. Answer the following question. Understood now what I am going to tell you? Okay. Now see next. Living room, bedroom, kitchens are there, and how to keep our house clean, toilets habits and personal hygiene, how to decorate our house in festival time, different parts of houses, living room, kitchen, bathroom, how to keep our houses clean, toilet habits and personal hygiene. These all are we are going to learn in this lesson. You know, you are decorating your house in festival days, no? So see here, see in this picture, he is Chotu. Chotu lived in a small village. Many people come to Mumbai to earn money. Similarly, Chotu also come to Mumbai to earn money. The boy is there. That boy is circled by blue color line is there. Blue line is there. No? He is a Chotu. He came to Mumbai for the first time. He didn't know anyone in Mumbai and didn't have any place to live. छोटू मुंबई में नया था, इसको रहने के लिए घर भी नहीं थे. He spent few days in Mumbai staying here and there. Chotu thought he must have some shelter which will protect him from a strong wind, heat, rain, cold and what? And to sleep well. उसे रहने के लिए अच्छा घर नहीं था, सोने के लिए जगह नहीं था, तो इसने सोचा कि मुझे भी एक घर होना चाहिए. One day he saw a big sewer pipe lying in a open space. He thought that the pipe could be the safe place for him to live. The pipe will be save him from a strong wind, rain, cold, and he sleep comfortably. The pipe now become a Chotu's house. Look in that picture, kids. How Chotu is sleeping, taking a rest in that pipe. And beside the pipe, he is cooking food. There he kept one water tank. And he tied one rope to dry his clothes. He started living there and gradually he made other parts of his house, like arrange a drum for storing water. He made arrangement for cooking and for drying clothes. Look in that picture where he kept the drum for water storing, tie a rope for drying clothes, and one side he is cooking. Means he made a pipe his house. He made a different parts in that pipe only, beside the pipe also. One day a boy, Mono, also came to Mumbai like a Chotu. He also didn't had any place to live. Chotu was living alone in the pipe and he didn't had any friends. When Chotu saw Monu in trouble, in search of a place, food, living, and invited Monu to join him because Chotu Lord suffered a lot of to stay in Mumbai. मोनू जैसा छोटू बहुत तकलीफ में दिन निकाले थे ना, सो छोटू थॉट मोनू also not face this my type problems, इसलिए उसने मोनू को जगह दी. He started staying, working together, become a good friend. They prepare a small shed beside the pipe where they can sit, spend some free times talking while they have free times. उन्होंने पाइप के साइड में एक छोटा सा शेड बनाया जहाँ पर बैठकर चाट करे, चाय पिए. ओके, सी हाउ इज अ छोटू's house. So study means watch the pictures carefully. It has also some questions. First question is, what did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? Answer: when Chotu looked at pipe, he thought that pipe will be safest place for him to live. The pipe will save him from a strong wind, rain and cold. Okay, now see second question. What is the second question? How did Chotu use the pipe? How did Chotu use the pipe? छोटू पाइप कैसे यूज करता है? छोटू used the pipe as his home because he has no home. He wants a safe place for him. Next, third question is, into which part of did Chotu divide the pipe and its surrounding area? छोटू पाइप को कैसे डिवाइड करता है? देखो, छोटू डिवाइड द पाइप एंड इट्स सराउंडिंग एरिया इनटू फॉलोइंग पार्ट्स. नीचे दिए गए पार्ट्स में, ए अ प्लेस फॉर स्लीपिंग लिविंग रूम और बेडरूम, अ प्लेस फॉर कुकिंग किचन, अ प्लेस फॉर क्लोथिंग ड्राइंग क्लोथ्स balcony, a place for storing water bathroom, a place for guest can sit guest room. He divide the pipe into 5 parts: living room, kitchen, balcony, bathroom and guest room. These all rooms you are having in your home now? Yes, you have kitchens, bathroom, bedroom. These all are different parts in your home. Next, fourth question is, in which part of his house will Chotu like to spend most of his time? Chotu would like, answer is there, Chotu would like to spend most of his time sitting in the area which he made for guest. Beside the pipe, he made a one small shed. He liked. That one place he liked. Fifth question, why do you think Chotu invited Monu to live with him in pipe? Answer, Chotu invited Monu to live with him in pipe because Monu did not had any place to live. Chotu was alone and he wanted someone's company. So that Chotu invited Monu to live with him in a pipe. Understood, no kids?